Are you spending hours every single week on manual tasks inside your Kajabi account? On things like manually exporting customer lists, manually adding members to your new email marketing campaigns, or piecing together business data from 5 different places? And what if I told you you could put most of that on autopilot, and no, you do not need a developer to do this? The key to all of this is a powerful and yet misunderstood function inside your Kajabi account, which is the Kajabi API. And in this video, I'm going to show you what it is, how to use it, and what you can do to automate certain elements of your online business. The term API sounds intimidating, but don't worry, I'm going to break this all down for you in a step-by-step process. So first, I'm going to cover off what it actually is, where you find it in your Kajabi account, and how to actually set it up. If you are a developer, where to go to get more information, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough with a tool that actually automates all of this for you. So by the end of this video, you're going to have the confidence and the knowledge to start connecting Kajabi with other tools to automate and make your business that much more efficient. Okay, so first off, I've simply Googled what does API stand for. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, this is an application programming interface. Effectively, it is an interface between 2 software platforms. So it's just code that allows 2 software platforms to talk to each other. So it is the go-between between 2 of your platforms. For example, a go-between between Kajabi and another software platform like Zapier. So if you're currently using Kajabi, I'm going to show you where to find this. So if you go into your live Kajabi account, this is my live account. And on the bottom left-hand side where it says settings, I want you to click on settings and then scroll all the way down to sign in and security. Once you pop that open, you can then scroll down into user API keys. Now there's 2 things you're going to need to take note of. You've got a client ID and then a client secret. So you can simply just click on the copy when you need to copy and paste this using this API into another software platform. And every now and again, if you need to refresh your API client ID and your client secret for security purposes, you can just simply hit rotate and it will give you a fresh client ID and a fresh client secret. So before I show you how to implement this within Zapier, I'm just going to go and show you where you can get more information. So in the Kajabi Help Center, if you were just to Google API, you would come up with this article. So this is getting started with the Kajabi public API. Now this is in a private beta right now, and you can email Kajabi support with any questions you might have. But if you are a developer looking to work with a client that has Kajabi, or if you have Kajabi yourself, you can get all the information within this help site. So here it's just showing you where you can get your API key. But if you want more information, more detailed information about endpoints and parameters, you can get access to the Kajabi public API documentation by simply just going to this URL. So here it is. Don't be overwhelmed by this. If you're not a developer, you do not need to use this at all. But if you are a developer working with Kajabi, this is all the information you need for the Kajabi public API. So now I'm going to give you a real life example of connecting my API to a third party, and I'm going to use Zapier. So Zapier is a free tool. It does have a free plan. It allows you to automate things within Kajabi. So for example, if someone purchases a product or if someone opts into something on my Kajabi account, you can then automate Zapier to set up a Zap and do another function. So it could add people to a spreadsheet. It could send them an email. It could send yourself a text message to notify that you've got a new client. But what I'm going to do in this video is just going to show you how to integrate or how to set up your API. And in another video, I'm going to show you how to use Zapier to best effect. So again, I'm going to need to go to my user API keys inside my Kajabi account. And then within Zapier, all you need to do here is app connections. I've just refreshed my account here and then click on add a connection. Now you want to search for Kajabi. Now Zapier will have an understanding of what Kajabi is. You just add connection and then here allow Zapier to access your Kajabi account. It's super simple. You need to go back out into your Kajabi account and then click on copy client ID and then paste that client ID into here. And then the API secret, you just go back in and then this is the client secret and then you just paste it into here. And then yes, continue to Kajabi. And then that's going to connect Kajabi and Zapier so you can actually use this. So it says new connection to Kajabi added. So in your Zapier homepage, you can add app connections, and then you can go over and add zaps. So once you add a zap, that is a trigger or an automation. It is now connected in with your Kajabi site, and then you can just create zap. Now that zap is an automation, but if you wanted any help, just type in here. They have Copilot and AI Beta. Just type in, I would like to create a Google Sheet once somebody opts into my client form within Kajabi. Then it will take you through the steps one by one. So you're connecting it up to Kajabi and then connecting it up to your Google account. And it's as simple as that. You can connect up two softwares by using the API. So you can connect up Kajabi with Zapier to automate some zaps or some triggers for your online business. So don't be put off by the term API. It's simply an automation to make your business that much more effective. But if you're at the start of your journey of yet to pull the trigger on opening up a Kajabi account, I have got a free gift for you. I can get you 30 days extended free trial of Kajabi. That's over double the 14-day free trial available to the public just by using my link. You can head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and open your account today. And as a thank you from me, I'm going to automate you a program. It's called Kajabi Unbox. This is what I have designed in terms of how to unbox your Kajabi account in the right way, what I would do first, second, third, fourth, and fifth in order to scale and make online sales. And as a second thank you from me, if you continue past that 30-day free trial and continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi and know it and love it like I do, reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll automate you another program. It's called my Kajabi sales page templates. All you need to do is download these templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi account. And you can use the sales page templates that I use in this online business. It's super cool. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means if you continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. So leave me a comment down below if you are using the API. I'd love to know what automations you have put in place. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And I look forward to seeing you on the very next video.